Hello dear students, welcome back to the EVS class. Dear students, I hope you all are fine at your home and you are studying well. Yes, in the previous video class, which lesson we were studying? We were studying about the lesson festivals. Yes, what is the name of the lesson we were studying in the previous video class? The name of the lesson is festivals. Yes, dear students, have you practiced the difficult words? Yes, I hope you have practiced and you beheaded the difficult words. Yes, can you tell what is the spelling of festivals? Yes, here is the spelling of festivals. Festivals, festivals. Yes, dear students, in the previous video class, just we have done the introduction of this lesson. Yes, what are festivals? In festival days, what we will do? Yes, we celebrate many special days as a festivals, and we will enjoy these special days with our family and friends. So, what is festival? A festival is a special day when people get together and celebrate with their family and friends. Festival is one of the special day it is. What is festival, dear students? Festival is a special day when people get together and celebrate with their family. So all the people, they will get together and they will celebrate the festivals with their family and friends. Again, what they will do whenever there is a festival? Yes, they will pray, they will eat special food and they will give gifts to each other. So these festivals are filled with a full of celebration. Yes, with a full of happiness and with a full of joy, you will celebrate the festivals. Yes, so whenever there is a festival, some of the puja also we will do. Yes, we will at that time we will pray for God here. Pray means what? Yes, what is the meaning of pray? You all will pray for the God. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಫುಡ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಫುಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್. ಯಸ್, ದ ಫುಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ festival and we will have all together. This is all about the introduction part we have studied. So let us see here the first festival, Diwali. Yes, dear students, what is the spelling of Diwali? D-I-W-A-L-I, Diwali. D-I-W-A-L-I, Diwali. Yes, it is one of the most important festival. Yes, in this festival you all will enjoy a lot. Yes, everyone will have one of the favorite festival. Yes, I hope even your favorite festival is a Diwali. Yes, even mine also same. Even I like Diwali very much. Yes, whenever there is a Diwali festival, yes, what we will do? Yes, first we will buy the new dresses, clothes we will take. Yes, then next what we will do whenever there is a Diwali festival, we will draw the rangoli in the morning. Again we will light the house with the lights, with the colorful lights. Then in the evening what we will do, we will put the lamps here, earthen lamps. Yes, these are the what we are doing whenever there is a Diwali festival. Yes, dear students, let us see here. Today is a Diwali. Gopal's house looks very beautiful. He see here. Okay, here they have given, they are celebrating Gopal. Gopal's house looks beautiful. His mother has lit many earthen lamps. Earthen lamps are nothing but, dear students, whenever there is a Diwali festival will be there. Yes, what we will do, we will lit earthen lamps here. Yes, for this what we will call earthen lamps. Can you see here? The mother is lighting earthen lamps here. lit ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚುವುದು. ಎಂಥ ದೀಪ ಅದು? earthen lamps. earthen ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಪನತಿ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಂತೀವಿ earthen lamps ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ. earthen lamps ಅಂದರೆ ಪನತಿ. ನೀವು ದಿವಾಲಿ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಂಜೆ ಹೊತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ತೀರಿ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ಥರ. ಯಸ್, ಈ ಥರ ದೀಪ ಇವಕ್ಕೇನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು earthen lamps ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, so today is a Diwali. Gopal's house look beautiful because whenever there is a Diwali festival is there, of course all of them what they will do, they will light the house here. His mother has lit many earthen lamps outside the house. So Gopal's mother, what she done, she has lit many earthen lamps. LIT, lit is nothing but ಹಚ್ಚುವುದು, ದೀಪಾನ ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ಮನೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ. Okay, his mother has lit many earthen lamps. Earthen lamps ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪನತಿ. Yes, whenever there is a Diwali festival will be there, will lit a earthen lamps outside the house. Gopal and Gauri, he is a sister. Who is a sister of Gopal here? Gauri is a sister of Gopal. Okay, are making a pretty rangoli. Can you see the picture here? Yes, he is a Gopal and she is a Gauri. So what they are doing, dear students? They are making a pretty rangoli. Yes, they are drawing a rangoli here. You can see the picture here. What they are doing here? They are making a rangoli, pretty rangoli. So they are making a pretty rangoli. They will not light up firecrackers this time. ಸಿ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಫೈರ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಪಟಾಕಿನ ಹೊಡಿತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಫೈರ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೈರ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕರ್? ಪಟಾಕಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಫೈರ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಸಿ ದೇ ಬೋತ್ ಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೌರಿ, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಫೈರ್ crackers this time. See dear student, they are not going to light the firecrackers. Why? Because see here, firecrackers are noisy and loud. They will make a noise here. Yes, the firecrackers are noisy. Yes, noisy is nothing but they will make a more sound. Noisy and loud. They will make a loud sound here. Firecrackers are noisy. Noisy ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಶಬ್ದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು. And loud, says Gopal. Who said it? Gopal said that firecrackers are noisy and loud. I don't like smoke, says Gauri. What does the Gauri said here? Gauri said that she don't like that smoke. What? Whenever you light the firecracker, the smoke will come. Yes, that smoke is not good to our health. Yes, so even that Gauri, what she is telling that she don't like that smoke. What is the spelling of smoke? SMOKE, smoke. So what does the Gopal said here? Firecrackers are noisy and loud. Noisy is nothing but they will make a very much sound here. So the Gopal said that so they will not light the firecrackers this time. So ಅವರು ಈ ಸಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಪಟಾಕಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಡೆಯುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. I don't like smoke, says a Gauri. So what does the Gauri say? That smoke she doesn't like. So she don't want to light the firecrackers. They wear new clothes and share sweets with their friends. What Gopal and Gauri they will do? They will wear a new dress. Both of them, they will wear a new dress and only they will share the sweets with their friends. Yes, whenever there is a Diwali festival is there, we will prepare many kinds of sweets. So we should share the sweets with the friends and our family members. Yes, dear students, how the Diwali festival will be there? Yes, we will decorate the home with the lights and all. Then mother, what she will do? She will make she will lit the earthen lamps here. Can you see? These are the earthen lamps. Next, yes, again whenever there is a Diwali festival is there, we have to share the sweets with our friends and family members. Can you see how the children are sharing the sweets with their friends? Yes, and you should not use crackers, firecrackers. Okay, these firecrackers we should not use. Why we should not use the firecrackers? Because they will make a noisy, they will make a more sound here and it is disturbance to other people, the olden people. and dear students, they will give a smoke that which is not a good. Smoke ಅಂದರೆ ಹೊಗೆ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ನೀವು ಪಟಾಕಿ ಹೊಡೆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನೈತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಮೋಕ್ ಹೊಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ಅ ಫೈರ್ crackers. It is not good to your health also and for others also. So you don't use the firecrackers. So this is all about the Diwali festival. In this manner we will celebrate the Diwali festival. Yes dear students, I hope today you have understood how the Diwali celebration we will do. Yes, now it's a time for the homework. Let's see the difficult words of today's class. The first difficult word here is a Diwali. House, beautiful, earthen, lamps, rangoli, firecrackers, sweets, noisy, share. These are some of the difficult words of today's class, dear students. So read and write 5 times in your rough book. In the next video class, again we will continue with this lesson. Till that, dear students, take care. Have a nice day. Bye.